In today's video, I'll show you how to download Topaz AI for free. Let's get started right away. First, open your browser and search for Topaz AI. Click on the first link that appears, which is the official website of Topaz AI. Once the website opens, you'll see a dashboard like this. Click on the two lines in the upper right corner of your screen, then click on Downloads in the right corner of your screen. Here you'll find options to download and install the latest, previous, and legacy apps by Topaz. Scroll down and you'll see different versions of Topaz AI available. To download the official version of Topaz AI, scroll up and you will see options for Mac or Windows. Click on the option that matches your operating system. I am using Windows in this video, so I will click on Windows. You'll see that the download has started. After the download is complete, click on the Downloads icon and open it. Click Next and then Next again to install it. Once installed, you can drag and drop any video or image to enhance its quality using Topaz AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!